Welcome to our channel where we explore the world of interior design and bring your creative ideas to elevate your space. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of bedroom vanity design, focusing on creating a stylish and functional space to get ready for your day. Let's get started. For those who love a clean and minimalistic look, this vanity design is perfect. A simple floating vanity with a large mirror paired with a comfortable stool create a sense of spaciousness in your bedroom. It's all about form and function. If you are a fan of vintage aesthetics, consider a vanity with intricate details and soft pastel colors. Add some antique inspired accessories like a vintage perfume bottle or an old fashioned brush to complete the look. Transform your bedroom into a glamorous Hollywood inspired space with a vanity surrounded by bright Hollywood style lighting. This design is perfect for makeup enthusiasts and anyone who wants that red carpet ready look every day. Create a cozy and inviting bedroom with a rustic chic vanity, natural wood, and distressed finishes add warmth and character to your space. Combine it with earthy tones and fresh flowers to complete the rustic charm. Reflect your style with a mirrored vanity. Mirrored furniture add a touch of glamour and sophistication to your bedroom. It's the perfect choice if you want to make your space appear larger and more luminous. Embrace the future of beauty routine with a high-tech vanity. Features like built-in charging stations, Bluetooth speakers, and LED touch screen mirrors will make your morning routine both efficient and enjoyable. If you have ever dreamed of a bedroom fit for a Hollywood star, the next idea is pure glamour. A Hollywood style vanity with a lighted mirror and plenty of storage is perfect for getting ready in style. Choose metallic accents like gold or silver and add a fox fur stool for a touch of luxury. This vanity is all about making a statement. If you are a fan of clean lines and simplicity, our next idea for you. A modern minimalistic vanity can transform your bedroom into a serene oasis. Choose a sleek wall mounted vanity with a large mirror to maximize space. Neutral colors such as white or grey paired with uncluttered surfaces create a calming and unassuming ambiance. For those with a free spirited and artistic soul, a bohemia inspired vanity might be the perfect fit. Look for a vintage or upcycled table that showcases intricate patterns and textures. Add some macrame wall hangings, potted plants, and colorful textiles your bedroom to a relaxed and italic vibe. Which design idea resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below and be sure to subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for joining. Until next time, happy decorating.